Liberia is 100% rainforest. It's also home to 43% of the biodiversity for the whole of the Guinea Basin. And it's our responsibility to protect them, not only for Liberia, but for the region.
Only half as tall and weighing less than a quarter of the regular Nile hippopotamus, the pygmy hippopotamus is native to the forest and swamps of the Upper Ghanaian rainforest. Being nocturnal and extremely reclusive makes the pygmy hippo very difficult to study in the wild. They spend most of the day hidden in rivers. At dusk, they emerge to feed on land. As herbivores, they follow trails to find ferns, broad-leaved plants, and fruit that have fallen to the forest floor. Sometimes they're lucky enough to find a rare patch of grass. They live alone or in small groups, typically a mother and her calf. A study of the pygmy hippo's breeding behavior has never been conducted in the wild. But in captivity, they have given birth on land or in the water, can swim immediately, and live up to 45 years. What makes the pygmy hippo so critical to protect is that it has a distinct genus and is the only creature left in its gene pool. Sadly, there are only around 2,000 left in the wild, mainly due to the destruction of its habitat, the Upper Ghanaian rainforest. Large-scale logging and illegal mining has led to deforestation and pollution of the waterways. Polluted waterways have hindered subsistence farming, which itself has led to fragmentation of the forest. Fragmentation has opened up the forest to human predators, fueling the illegal bush trade which currently thrives across major towns. As a large mammal, the pygmy hippo is a prime target of this trade. The Upper Ghanaian rainforest is regarded by the IUCN as one of the world's top 25 hotspots of biodiversity. It contains more than 60% of all animal and plant species to be found on this planet, but only 40% of the original forest remains.
The threats to protecting our environment is poverty. When people are as poor as our people are, they will not necessarily put protection of the biodiversity at the top of their list. How do I keep this baby and myself living? So it is government's responsibility to make sure that we help raise our people out of adjunct poverty so that they can see and enjoy the beauty of a healthy environment.
This environment is at risk and needs to be protected and preserved so that it can sustain the people of Liberia to a more prosperous future.
The sustainable use of our environment is a chapter that we are writing day by day as we try to rebuild our country.